Sight words refer to words that are commonly read in text. So we read these words all the time. They're words like the, to, me, we. The only issue with sight words is that they don't follow the typical reading decoding pattern. So that makes it really difficult for children to learn how to read them. And also why they're called sight words, because we basically just have to learn them by sight, aka memorization. So on the website, I included a list of Dolch sight words, and this is a really great resource to use if you're making flashcards at home or if you're just looking for some extra sight word practice. There's also a link of pre-made flashcards, and that again is a great resource. If you have a printer, you could just print those and cut them out. If you don't have a printer, again, it's okay. You can use any type of paper or index card to make your own flashcards with sight words that your child is practicing. Now, since sight words are learned through memorization, it's really important that we incorporate different modes of learning. So instead of just reciting over and over again and going through the flashcards, we want to ask ourselves, how can we make this more meaningful so our children remember the words? And one way I like to do it is through kinesthetics or movement. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's the kinesthetic portion of the activity. Kinesthetic is just a fancy way of saying moving or movement. I love to incorporate kinesthetics as much as I can when I'm teaching because it's a really meaningful tool to reinforce learning, and it gets kids up and out of their seat. For this activity, you are going to need your sight word flashcards, either the ones that you made at home or the ones that you printed via the website. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick a word from your flashcards and you're going to count with your child how many letters are in the word. So this word is make. So let's count the letters. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 letters in the word make. So now I give students a choice. Should we put make on our arm, or should we say make going up and down? And let's say they pick up and down. This is what that word would look like. Take our card, reverse, 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 and it's going to look like this. We're going to start at our head, and we say M-A-K-E, make. And we make it as silly or as meaningful as we want. It's kind of up to you to adapt it that way. Another way that we can do it is to put it on our arm just like we did when we were blending. So we can hold the card, and we can say make. I'm going to hold it with this arm. M-A-K-E, make. Okay, so that's just another way that you can do it. So again, get silly with this, incorporate maybe some dancing, some different chants, and make it fun and engaging for your child.